millions of Salman Khan fans now hoping that the actor is proved not guilty in the 2002 hit-and-run case. It's a big day for both the actor and his fans.
He's one of India's biggest film stars, a heartthrob for millions, an icon for a generation, and also one of the most controversial. And in less than 24 hours from now, actor Salman Khan faces his judgment day in the 2002 hit-and-run case.
All of us are deeply connected to Salman, and we stand by him, we support him, and we wish him all the best. All our thoughts are always with him.
And an entire country will be glued to television screens on Wednesday as the 13-year-long case draws to a close. A trial that's been followed closely in both India and abroad. It's been a case that's gathered attention of the world, just like some of his movies have in real life.
I'll pray to God that he is happy after the verdict.
It was here at the junction outside the famous American Express bakery on that night in September 2002 that workers on footpath outside the bakery woke with a shudder, not knowing what had struck them. One of the employees, Nurullah Sharif, lost his life and at least 5 colleagues were injured. As the arguments drew to a close and as both sides presented their sides of story, tomorrow's verdict will conclude on who really was behind the wheel of the white Toyota Land Cruiser. But if it goes against the actor, the consequences will be many for both the actor and the Bollywood industry. Salman, if held guilty, could face up to 10 years in prison.
Extending a lot of support to Salman Bhai, whom we both are very fond of, and who's always been a great source of support for my family, I can say. So our prayers are certainly with him, and we are all very anxious about the 6th of May.
The date is set, and come Wednesday, all eyes will be on the small screen. Bureau Report, Times Now.
And for the first time, Salman Khan's father Salim Khan is speaking in detail about the Salman Khan verdict as the actor's family is praying for him. Listen to what Salman's father told Times Now in an exclusive interview with our correspondent Megha.
Sir, thank you so much for speaking to Times Now. 13 years it has been for the case. It has dragged on from 2002 to 2015. Finally, the arguments have come to a close. Now, the verdict day, 6th. As a father, sir, my question to you is, are you anxious? What are you going through right now?
I believe in God. There is God above, and then there is a court below. ये दो चीज़ें जो हैं इस पे मुझे बहुत फेथ है और besides that, finally the truth prevails. Finally, whatever we have gone through, we will not talk about it. But finally, मेरी एक फिल्म का डायलॉग था जो मैं यहाँ बोलना चाहूँगा कि एक बेटा बाप से कहता है कि ये जो आपने एक सच्चाई की वॉर शुरू की हुई है, इसको कौन अप्रिशिएट करता है, इससे क्या मिलने वाला है, कौन जानता है इसे, एक अकेली आवाज़ से क्या होता है। तो बाप जवाब देता है कि बेटा सच्चाई वो दिया है जो पहाड़ की चोटी पे जला दो, सच्चाई वो दिया है जो पहाड़ की चोटी पे जला दो, तो रोशनी तो बहुत कम दूर करता है, दिखता बहुत दूर से है।
सर, आप 6 तारीख, हैव यू स्पोकन टू सलमान?
सलमान से तो रोज़ बात होती है।
What is he telling? He's still shooting.
देखिए, इन चीज़ों को you have to take it head on. You can't dodge these things. Whether it's a
How is he taking
law,
it?
whether it's question of anything. कोई भी आदमी ऐसी चीज़ें सामने आती हैं तो you have to face it head on. वक्त नहीं पड़ता, अगर खुदा न खास्ता कभी खिलाफ जाती है बात कभी, तो क्या कर सकते हैं आप? कुछ नहीं कर सकते. You have to take it bravely in the stride.
How, because he is still shooting, he'll be back a day before the verdict. How is he taking all of this? I'm sure he must be under pressure.
थोड़ा सा क्या है कि first of all we have become quite immune to all these things. In the last few years, the things were happening and all that. But anyway, we have implicit faith in God and the court.
You have complete faith in the court. You know a fair justice will be delivered.
God on the law. कि जो भी कुछ होगा वो facts से और evidence से ही decide होगा.
So, as a father, you have followed the entire case right from 2002 to 2015.
I have not followed technically as legally. तो legal हैं, but we have got a very competent staff. Our lawyers are very competent, and they have done a lot of homework on this, and they have fought very well, and we expect a very positive result. And God forbid if it is not, then
What are you hoping for, sir?
I am not in a position to say anything because मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा इसके बारे में, but as a father definitely I hope that it will be in my favor, in my son's favor.
And if it isn't, then?
If it isn't, then there is an appeal, probably. Yeah, go for that.
For family strong enough to deal with this?
एक रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग की एक लाइन है. रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग was the only optimistic poet in English literature, one of the optimistic poet. उसने अपनी डेथ पे लिखी है पोइट्री जिसका लास्ट स्टैंजा मुझे याद है. I was ever a fighter, so one fight more. I was ever a fighter, so one fight more. The best and the last. We'll fight
We'll
till
fight
the end.
till the end, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't want to ask anything about the technicalities of this case, but do you believe that the entire investigation was done in a fair manner, sir?
मैटर जो है सब जुडिस है. आई वॉज इवन टोल्ड बाय माई लॉयर्स के इसके बारे में बात ही मत करना, बट सिंस यू हैव कम, मैं यही कह सकता हूँ कि होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट. और जो लॉ है इस मुल्क में डेमोक्रेसी है, इस मुल्क में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर है, तो हो जाती हैं सर्टेन चीज़ें हैं, मगर फाइनली उसका जो रिज़ल्ट निकलता है वो वही होता है जो सच्चाई का.
You did give an interview to Bombay Times and you said that this should not have been called a hit and run case.
I've said कि hit and run case it is always referred as a hit and run case everywhere in the media also. उसके मोहल्ले में एक्सीडेंट हुआ, उसको घर पे लेके आए, घर पे ऊपर उसका स्टेटमेंट हुआ, then he was taken to for the alcohol test. इसके बाद the car was struck there, the car was taken by the crane.
Yeah.
So how can it should be referred as a hit and run case? वो तो वहीं के वहीं था. हिट एंड रन केस का क्या मतलब है कि आदमी एक्सीडेंट करके भाग गया हो और बाद में कहीं पकड़ा गया हो या किसी उसका कुल्लू गुमला हो उसकी वजह से पकड़ा हो, तो सभी जानते हैं उसकी यहाँ पैदा हुआ है, इसी मोहल्ले में रहा है, पढ़ा है, एवरीबडी न्यू. तो दैट आई हैव सेड इट अर्लियर. मगर उसके बाद लॉयर्स ने कहा कि अभी सब जुडिस मैटर इसके बारे में बात ही ना करें तो अच्छा है. So I don't want to talk about it, but we are thinking for the best.
One last question to you. When did you speak to Salman last? He's in Kashmir's shooting, right?
अभी 3-4 दिन पहले.
Okay, and what was the conversation about? How is he mentally sort of preparing himself for this?
No, he's all right.
He's all right?
All right. He sounded absolutely normal. And he must be prepared also. If God forbid something happens, he must be prepared. I don't think he is not thinking of that eventuality. He must be thinking about that.
Has he shared any of his anxiousness with you?
इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, इट इज़ नॉट सलमान प्रॉब्लम ओनली. अब लॉ में तो उसका तो कोई प्रोविज़न नहीं है, मगर कभी कभी कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ होती है जैसे संजय दत्त के केस में ही है या सलमान के, इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा जो सफ़र करने वाले होते हैं फाइनली इफ इट गोज़ रॉन्ग, माँ बाप.
And that's why my question to you.
Law doesn't consider that.
Absolutely.
And नहीं, nowhere in the world कि उस पर क्या होगा.
Absolutely. That's why my question to you, as parents, how are you dealing with it?
देखेंगे, we deal with it when it comes, जब भी होगा. जो अभी से कोई मतलब एक प्री डिटरमिन्ड बनाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है कि ऐसा होगा. देखें.